All right, guys, welcome back. I'm sure you've heard of couch conversations, but this morning we're having a conversation to get it right. Joining us is street artist Sekani. Is that it? Yes, Sekani Daniel, who's going to be taking us through the 1-2 steps of drawing with a pencil. I've done this in primary school, Sekani.
Yeah, it's not easy.
It's not easy, though.
It's not easy.
Is that easy?
Yeah, like primary school stuff.
So, like, stickman is fine?
I think whatever comes naturally.
Okay.
It's fine.
I'm sure you're more than a stickman drawing kind of artist, right? How long have you been doing what you've been doing?
A long time.
Yeah.
Professionally as a street artist, probably about 5 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, how would you say like you were able to perfect it and ensure that, you know, your things were just amazing, your pieces?
I think that has to do with practice, really. Yeah, just owning your skill sets. Yeah.
Yeah, you gave us pencils, but I'm sure you don't use pencils when you're drawing in the streets. You're using paint brushes and oil paints and all kind of things.
Yeah,
Yeah?
pencil is not for the wall.
Right, for sure, right.
But you start out with a pencil though.
Initially when I started drawing, yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
How difficult is it to, you know, do art out in the streets?
It's not difficult.
Or let me say, how easy is it then?
Oh, easy? It's pretty easy. The hardest thing is probably the sun.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're doing your pieces though, where do you get inspiration from? Is it based on your clients' requests or you just draw inspiration from somewhere or something?
So usually it's commission work, and usually the client has a vision or a goal in mind, and from that vision or goal, I try to create something visually. Yeah.
Do you go abstract or do you go true to life?
It depends on the situation and the vision.
Okay, and in terms of the pieces though, I know that of course the size would help to determine how long it takes.
Right.
But for something like this, if it is that you're doing a portrait, how long would it take you?
A simple sketch?
Yeah.
A simple sketch can probably take about 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh, here we go.
Spoken like a true professional.
Yeah, quick sketch.
Okay, but then if we're going to paint it and perfect it now?
Oh, if it's like a full-on project, like a final piece, a painting commission, about this size, probably about 3 to 5 days.
Wow. Okay, so you brought out the canvases for us to, you know, have some canvas and conversations on. You're asking of us to draw each other?
As best as possible, yeah.
Okay, all right.
And it's the first
Give us
time.
some tips though, because, you know,
I will.
Tally's a beautiful girl, you know, so I forgot capture her well on the canvas.
I know, right? You have a challenge there for you.
We both do. Because I don't know how we can catch Debbie Blonde here.
It's going to be a matter of shading, right?
Yeah, and subtracting, deducting, judgment. I think drawing has to do a lot with just judgment.
All right, well, we have to start because we don't have much time. So tell us first. All right, we're starting with the frame of the face, right?
Right.
What should we keep in mind?
So let's start with the largest shapes first, which is the shape of the head.
Okay.
So whatever shape you see, you try to plot that shape down as quickly as possible.
Gotcha, as quickly as possible.
Yeah, let's make it more count and let's not get stuck up.
So I don't take my time and draw. Just draw.
Just draw. Be free in these first steps.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Loose, enjoy it. That's the most important part. Enjoy it. Yeah.
That's go about this part here, sir. Can't get a double chin.
Yeah.
From there, we're going to use probably some guidelines.
Okay.
So we're going to try to find a center line through the face.
Gotcha.
Okay. So just don't make it too bright though.
No, keep it light and quick.
So just make one center line though.
Right, yeah.
All right.
You're asking us to draw the line from the forehead to the chin?
Right, straight down the middle of that shape that you plotted.
Lord, have mercy, man.
You can try
I don't know if this too...
Why?
This not
I think it's better not to use a pencil like that though.
Okay.
It's best for hand movement to hold the pencil like
to hold the pencil like this. Okay.
Instead of you writing with
Got
the
you.
pencil.
Okay.
So
after about this
with this, you'll have a bit more motion from the wrist and your
what you say?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
He says hold the pencil like this.
Yeah. With this, you
I
can
don't
make
think
a
I have
straight
the
line
best
just like that.
maneuverability over it this way, though, you know.
It takes a bit of practice getting used to it, but trust me,
Why,
it is the
Sekani?
best way to do it.
All right.
Wrist
Keep the
movement
first
and
line that
everything.
it do.
Boy, you know
bad.
what?
let me
Draw
try.
a nose here, man, and an eye and think I wouldn't have much time.
All
Tell me
right.
what to keep in mind though when you're drawing the nose.
right.
So the guidelines are basically we split the head from the center.
Yeah.
And then we cut the head into 3 parts. These lines, the 3 parts will be horizontal lines. So there's one for the eyebrows or the eyes, one for the nose.
So make some lines go across again.
And well, yeah, but divide the head into 3 equal parts, basically.
All right.
So you can divide the nose
Not
into
saying that-
half proportion of the oval.
Oh.
A rough estimate.
But Sekani,
rough
how that
estimate.
work? Because some people forehead bigger than some.
It's a it's a
I have my
it is a general kind of
right.
custom,
Boy, I tell them about a big sibling when you see this, you know. I did my best.
a general judgment. It can be
Sekani,
less
come
or
look here.
more. Yeah, basically.
Basically,
Yeah, and so this would be for the nose.
right here. Right here, yeah.
That's the center line.
Yeah, it far.
It's a bit low
Oh God, all
for
right.
center line.
All right, let me rub it out.
I
Thank
think
God
this
for
is
eraser.
about the center.
All right.
I don't know. I just
You
not
don't
doing so well at
erase
all with the
it
nose
all
at
the time,
all.
you know.
All right, right here.
Yeah, I think that's
Why?
about the center. It can be quick. You don't have to be perfect in these stages. You don't have to be perfect.
All right, yeah, I got it.
And then another for the
But you said
mouth.
3 parts. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh, so it would be 3 lines rather.
Yeah.
Or
Oh,
4
3
for-
lines.
yeah,
so make 1 more line.
Right, right.
All right. All right.
I mean, yeah.
All right. So after I draw the 3 lines now, what I do?
Sekani, I just do
From
my thing,
there-
you know.
So this is the eyebrow line. From there, we kind of give a quick judgment from the eyebrow to the eyes and make another line for the eyes.
Sekani, come
Start
here.
drawing eyebrows.
No, make another line for the
right.
to kind of judge where the eyes will fall.
All right.
And perfect.
Yeah.
That's it. From there now, we kind of plot in where the eyes are.
So upper eye, lower eye.
Yeah.
All right. So
You
I
don't have to
can-
be fixed on the shape either. You just need to kind of estimate where things are right now. That's the main focus.
All right.
So the foundation, once the foundation is laid in where everything is
Draw
laid
eyebrows
out-
too.
Yeah, you can go ahead. Once you feel comfortable with the position where it's at.
You see my director over here troubling because Sekani is over there only teaching one pupil, you know. I'm just there, I do my best in a life. Sekani,
I
you see
think
the
it
nose
was
now?
pretty good.
You think so?
I like it. I'm not.
Prince, my director, are you hearing this? Are you hearing the professional telling me, okay, the nose now for me.
The nose.
The nose for me is the problem now, Sekani.
You don't have a lot of guidelines though.
I don't.
How you know how far you should bring down the nose?
I don't know. I have no
That's
idea.
why
I'm
the
just doing the
guidelines
best I
are
can in
there.
life.
Well, all right, yeah.
Okay.
Free-handed. Yeah. Let's be
I'm just
intuitive.
doing the best I can in life, right?
All right.
Okay, so tell me something though, Sekani. If somebody wanted to reach out to you to say, hey, you know, we have this space and we want you to come and decorate, you know, paint something over it, how do they get in contact with you? Is it something that you just kind of choose a random wall in the streets and just say, boy, this is the place I'm doing? You know? How do you find your spaces? Can people reach out to you or do
They
you
can.
go about finding it? Okay,
They
gotcha.
can. They can.
Okay.
So usually on social media, I'm on all platforms. Instagram, TikTok, via Sekani_Libard.
Okay.
Yeah. I do go out and find spaces though for myself.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right, that's so good though.
And I know that you've done quite a bit. Name some of the places that you've painted or you've done murals.
I've been a few places. I've been at PBCJ across from Transport Center in Halfway.
Oh, you did that?
Right, with
Really?
the
With
Bob Marley
coffee and everybody over there?
Right.
That's really good work. It's very, very nice.
I've been in Brownstone.
Okay.
That was a Brownstone mural project in the center of Brownstone.
Okay.
Transformed the space. And I've been downtown with Kingston Creative as well. I'm all over Kingston, really, from Port Royal to the inner cities, really. Yeah, here and there.
Wow.
All right, how I finished the nose now, Sekani? Come tell me. I know they be eyebrow them like neater than this, but...
Boy, it's all...
Alright, it's coming together.
Yeah, where do I do? Put the holes here? Or I just...
It's all about your judgment, really. It's your vision. It's what you're seeing. You know, and be playful as a child.
Alright. Alright. I draw ears too?
Yeah, and the thing about the guidelines is the ears and the nose guideline actually kind of measure up to the ears.
Give Debbie some hair.
Yeah, so she does have a lot of hair.
Well, a little bit, not a lot. Boy, tell me I try, honestly.
There's none.
Alright. Do I draw in the eyes, like the pupils and stuff?
Yeah, you can. You can. Whatever you feel fit. You can shade it to kind of create that dark position. So usually the darkest areas on the face is the eyes, the nose, and the corners of the lips.
Okay.
Especially when painting, that's usually the triangle that we focus on.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so if they wanted to get through to you, you know, and engage you to do something, how do they reach out to you?
You can call me at 867-9965.
Okay.
I'm on social media at Sekani_live yeah.
Okay, all right.
We're ready to show our mask?
I think we should just wrap. I don't think we should, you know, I don't think we should just cut to the break.
Confident?
I don't think it's necessary for us to show anything, you know. I really think we should just cut to the break. And wrap it up. Talia, you have the outro. You want to just tell everybody thanks, you know?
Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys, for keeping connected with us. Yes. How'd that go? I'm trying to finish my drawing. Anywho, guys, thank you so much, Sekani, for joining us this morning.
Thanks, Abby.
Are we going to show our pieces?
You know what? Why not? Why not? Let me see it, huh? Talia, Jesus have his mercy. No, I don't feel too bad, but when you draw, my nose don't look like that, though. God, no.
I tried.
It's an interpretation.
Okay, look at yourself now.
Boy.
You don't look too bad,
My nose look like a sausage. No, me never know.
You don't look too bad, but hold on, you have lashes enough, friend. Are you looking at these?
I gave you lashes too.
No, are you looking at your long lashes?
No, but my mouth spread way.
I mean, I didn't want to tell you, but it's true.
Wait, no. She don't want to tell about my boys, you know. I want to tell about the nose. You see your life unfair.
Boy, man, tell you.
Anywho,
it's like you give me the pregnant nose. I mean,
Sekani, Daniel, guys. We'll be right back with more on Weekend Smile.
I like it, Yatal. I like it. Thank you very much. Stand it at the bottom. Stand it at the bottom.